Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of Chiki series. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you something different. This is the first time I'm going to work with ribbons. Actually, I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon rose. But I would like to let you know that this channel is not only dedicated to bead making. It concerns everything arts and craft. It goes all the way to show behind the scenes and even documentary, all the traditional way of making a craft, arts and craft. So today I'm going to use the nylon ribbon, orange ribbon. I've got a half 18 inches here, that's half yard. I've also got my 2-inch dark green ribbon that I'll use to form the leaf. I've got my lighter I'll use to trim the edges of the ribbon, and my glue, my fabric glue, also my needle and thread to tie off where necessary. So let's jump into it. First of all, I'm going to trim the edges of the ribbon using my lighter to make it smooth. Then I'll go in, I'll measure out 2 inches at this end, and I will fold it at a right angle, but I'll hold it down using my glue. When I hold it down using the glue, it forms a straight line here. Then I'm gonna fold on the edge of this straight line till the middle, so I'll be able to get the bud of the rose. Then at this point now, I'm gonna sew it up. This will enable it to stay firmly, because the glue I'm using here right now is not the best glue in the market, but that's what it is. There are better glues in the market. Maybe when you want to try it out, you can buy a better glue. Normally, the best glue are the glues which can dry instantly and doesn't leave any stain on the ribbon. So I'll keep folding while bending over my ribbon. As I fold, I make sure I still turn my ribbon at an angle of 90 degrees. And it actually depends on the size of the ribbon, size of the rose you want to make. If you want to make a very small rose, in that case you make the fold to be very small. But the rose I'm making is a medium size, so I'm leaving some spaces while I'm folding it, not too close. I'm trying to make sure I stay in focus so I get to see whatever I'm doing. And at this point, I'm gonna add a little glue to hold it down firmly. While I continue folding. These roses, when finished, can be used as decoration. It can also be used to form a wedding bouquet. It depends on what you want to make out of them. I'm gonna stitch it. I'll tack it a bit because it seems it's loosening up. I'm gonna pass my needle, but you have to be careful so you don't get to distort the edge of the rose, because that's where the beauty lies. I'll add another glue. Now I've come to the end of the ribbon. I will add another glue to hold it down, then I will sew on it to make sure it's in place. Now this is what I've got. So I'll go on and snip off the spread then and form the leaf. To form the leaf, I'm gonna trim the edges again using my lighter. Then I'm gonna go in by the side, the two sides, and give 2 cuts on each side. Then I'll go in with my lighter again and open it up a bit and also smoothen it to give that rough edge of leaf. because normally leaves are not smooth. Then to get the leaf vein, I'm gonna use my chain nose plier and hold down this ribbon in the middle and burn it off to give it a solid line. So having done this is what I got here. I've got something like this. I'll add some glue in the middle, and then I stick my rose to it, my rosebud to it. So this is what I've got, and I'm gonna sew it down again right here. I'm gonna come in with my needle and give another sew. And snip up the thread, and that's it. This is what we have. This is the ribbon rose, which can be used as part of the decoration or as a wedding bouquet or as a present to a loved one. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. If you find this video very interesting and useful, you can give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video, and bye.